Assalamu alaikum. In today's video we will discuss integration by substitution. It is a method to find an integral but only when it can be set up in a special way. The first and most vital step is to be able to write our integral in this form. Integration f of g of x, g prime of x dx. Note that we have g of x and its derivative g prime of x. Look at the example. Integration of cos x square 2x dx. Here f is equal to cos and we have g of x is equal to x square and its derivative is 2x. When our integral is set up like that, we can do this substitution. Let u is equal to x square and du is equal to 2x dx. Now replace this value in above function, which becomes integration cos u du. As we know that integration of cos, which is equal to sine u plus constant of integration c. And finally put u is equal to x square back again. We get the result integration cos of x square 2x dx is equal to sine x square plus c. Next example, integration of x divided by x square plus 1 dx. Let u is equal to x square plus 1, differentiating with respect to x, then du is equal to 2x dx, dividing both sides by 2, 1 by 2 du is equal to x dx. Now put these value in above function, which becomes integration of x divided by x square plus 1 dx is equal to 1 by 2 integration, replace x dx by u, du and x square plus 1 by u. So we get the result 1 by 2 integration 1 over u du. As we have integration of 1 over u which is equal to log of u. So 1 by 2 log of u plus constant of integration c. Now again replace the value of u x square plus 1 in the above function. So we get the result integration of x by x square plus 1 dx is equal to 1 by 2 log of x square plus 1 by plus c. Evaluate the following indefinite integral by substitution method. Integration of sine power 4x cos of x dx. Let u is equal to sine x, differentiating with respect to x, then du is equal to the derivative of sine, which is equal to cos of x dx. Now put these value in the above function, which becomes integration of sine x power 4 cos x dx is equal to sine x, which is equal to u, means u power 4, and cos x dx, which is equal to du, so u power 4 du. Now by using power rule, we can write u power 5 by 5 plus constant of integration c. Now again put u is equal to sine x. So we get the result integration of sine x power 4 cos x dx is equal to sine x power 5 by 5 plus constant of integration c. Next question, cos x log of sine x divided by sine x dx. Now let u is equal to log of sine x, differentiating with respect to x. So du is equal to log sine x 1 over sine x, again the derivative of the function sine x, which is equal to cos x dx. Now put these value in the above function. So we get integration of cos x log sine x by sine x dx is equal to log sine x, which is equal to u, 1 over sine x cos x dx, which is equal to du. So we can write integration of u du. Now by using power rule, integration of x power n, which is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So we can write u square by 2 plus c. Now put u is equal to log of sine x back again. So we get the result integration of cos x logs of sine x divided by sine x dx is equal to log sine x power 2 divided by 2 plus c. Next question is e power x sine e power x dx. Let u is equal to e power x, differentiating with respect to x, then du is equal to e power x dx. Now putting this value in above function, which becomes, so integration of e power x sine e power x dx is equal to e power x, which is equal to u, and e power x dx, which is equal to du. So we can write integration of sine of u du, as we know that integration of sine, which is equal to minus cos of u plus constant of integration c. Now put u is equal to e power x back again, so we can write integration of e power x sine e power x dx is equal to cos minus cos u minus cos e power x plus c. Now these are some important integration of trigonometric function, like integration of sine x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c, and integration of cos x dx is equal to sine x plus c, and integration of tangent x dx is equal to log of secant x plus c. Try to solve this question by substitution method. First one, integration of tangent 2x secant 2x dx, and second one, integration of cos square x divided by cosecant x dx.